journey through one of the most spectacular and spiritual events in the world, the Mahakumbh Mela. In this video, we will take you deep into the heart of this ancient gathering, where millions of devotees come together to take a dip in the sacred rivers, seeking purification and spiritual enlightenment. From mesmerizing rituals to vibrant cultural celebration, join us as we explore deep into the history, significance, and the overwhelming energy of the Mahakumbh Mela. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025, a sacred pilgrimage, will be held in Prayagraj from 13th January to 26th February 2025, drawing millions of pilgrims for spiritual purification, cultural celebration, and unity. Key facts about Kumbh Mela are: it's the largest peaceful congregation of pilgrims on earth, during which participants take a dip in sacred rivers. This gathering takes place at four different places, namely in Haridwar on the banks of river Ganga, in Ujjain on the banks of Sipra, in Nasik on the banks of Godavari, in Prayagraj at the confluence of Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Saraswati. Different types of Kumbh Melas are: the Kumbh Mela is celebrated four times over a course of 12 years. At Haridwar and Prayagraj, Ardha Kumbh Mela is held every 6 years. A Mahakumbh Mela is celebrated at Prayag after 144 years. Magh Kumbh is celebrated every year in the month of Magh in Prayagraj. Now let's talk about the historical evolution. The Mahakumbh Mela, transcribed by Adi Shankaracharya, originates from the Puranas, describing gods and demons battling for the sacred pitcher of Amrit, with Lord Vishnu as Mohini securing it from demons. In ancient times, which means during Maurya's and Gupta's period, the Kumbh Mela began as smaller gatherings of pilgrims across the Indian subcontinent. Its significance increased with the rise of Hinduism, particularly under rulers like Guptas who elevated its status. Harshavardhana, king of Pushyabati dynasty, started the organization of Kumbh fair at Prayagraj. During medieval period, supported by royal dynasties like Chola and Vijayanagara empires, Delhi sultanates, and Mughals, Akbar promoted religious tolerance and granted Naga Sadhus the honor of leading the royal entry to the Mela in 1565. During the colonial period, British administrators, fascinated by the Kumbh Mela's scale and diversity, observed and documented the festival. Coming to the post independence significance, the Kumbh Mela symbolizes national unity and India's cultural heritage, recognized by UNESCO in 2017 as the intangible cultural heritage of humanity for its enduring ancient traditions. Now, talking about the records, Kumbh 2019 created three Guinness World Records for largest traffic and crowd management plan, for the biggest painting exercise of public sites under the Paint My City scheme, and for the biggest sanitation and waste disposal mechanism. Talking about the significance of the Kumbh Mela, spiritual relevance. Taking a dip at the Triveni Sangamam is believed to purify sins and spiritual liberation. Showcase cultural. At the Kumbh Mela, devotional kirtans, bhajans, and traditional dances like Kathak, Bharatanatyam, and Kuchipudi highlight themes of spiritual unity and divine love. Astrological timing, determined by the alignment of Sun, Moon, and Jupiter, making the event highly auspicious for spiritual activities. At Nasik and Ujjain, if the Mela is held when the planet is in its Leo zodiac, it is called Simhastha Kumbh. Now, key initiatives taken for Mahakumbh 2025. The first one is Netra Kumbh. Netra Kumbh has been inaugurated, spanning 9 acres. Over 500 doctors from more than 150 hospitals aim to treat 5 lakh eye patients. The camp plans to distribute 3 lakh free spectacles and perform 50,000 cataract surgeries. During the 2019 Kumbh, the initiative earned a place in the Limca Book of World Records by distributing 1.5 lakh spectacles and screening 3 lakh individuals. Patients requiring further treatment will receive referral cards for surgeries at the hospitals near their residences. The next initiative is Dant Kumbh. For the first time, a Dant Kumbh will be organized by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, running from 10th January to 26th February. The camp will feature 5 dental chairs. Each chair is expected to handle 500 dental examinations per day, providing free treatments and distributing complimentary oral care products to the devotees. The next initiative is Gyan Kumbh. The Siksha Sanskriti Uttanyas is organizing the Gyan Mahakumbh in bringing together over the 1,000 prominent educators, university vice chancellors, education ministers, and secretaries from both central and state governments. The event will focus on the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 with sessions scheduled from 7th to 9th January. Discussions will cover topics such as the role of private educational institutions, women's education, student engagement, traditional Indian knowledge system, and the significance of Indian languages. The next initiative is Green Kumbh Initiative. In a bid to promote environmental consciousness, volunteers associated with the Siksha Sanskriti Uttanyas and the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh's environmental activities have launched the One Bag and One Plate initiative. The campaign aims to distribute 1.5 million steel plates and 2 million cloth bags to pilgrims, reducing the use of disposal items and encouraging sustainable practices. Next is Vidya Kumbh. Children from laborers' families, along with their families, will have the opportunity to participate in the Vidya Kumbh, enabling them to experience the cultural and educational aspects of the Mahakumbh. Free books, pens, and other educational material will be distributed to children to help them progress in their studies. Awareness sessions will be held for the parents of the laborer families to help them understand the importance of the education and encourage them to support their children's learnings. And the last initiative is outreach to underprivileged children. Volunteers from Vidya Bharati, an organization linked to the RSS, plan to facilitate visits to the Mahakumbh for children living in slums along with their family, ensuring inclusivity and broader participation in cultural and spiritual festivals. Finally, to conclude, these multifaceted initiatives reflect a holistic approach to the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, intertwining spirituality with health, education, and environmental stewardship, thereby enriching the experience for millions of participants. As we conclude our journey through the Mahakumbh Mela, we have witnessed the devotion, spirituality, and unity that define this monumental gathering. It's a celebration of faith, culture, and tradition, bringing together millions from all walks of life. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the scale and profound impact of this extraordinary event. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what aspect of Kumbh Mela stood out the most to you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you.